Welcome back to Autoscope. The Maserati Motorhome of 2026 combines freedom, luxury, and performance. External style, body lines. Maserati's iconic aggressive yet flowing lines will take center stage in order to lessen wind resistance. Iconic grille. The front grille will feature a larger and more pronounced Maserati trident, perhaps paired with a touch of black chrome. Wheels and tires. Large, elegantly multi-spoke wheels will be standard equipment. Specialized tires designed for long distance. Comfort will be worn by them. Panoramic views will be available through large windows that may be modified using smart privacy technology. Soft leather seats with contrast stitching and a leather-covered multi-function steering wheel are among the interior amenities. A sizable dual touchscreen infotainment system will control all of the vehicle's entertainment and features. A comfortable L-shaped leather sofa, a sliding or auto-folding dining table, and an adjustable ambient lighting system are all aspects of the lounge dining room. Features in the kitchen include an induction stove, a convection oven, microwave, a large sink, a full-size refrigerator and freezer, and a built-in coffee maker. The king-size bed in the main bedroom will include an ergonomic mattress, a built-in wardrobe, and a hidden flat-screen TV. Materials and finishes: carbon fiber, open-pore wood trim, brushed metal accents, and Poltrona Frau leather will dominate the interior. Engine: the RV will most likely be powered by a powerful engine, perhaps a modified twin-turbo V8 or V6 Nettuno engine from the Maserati sports car that has been adjusted for increased torque and better efficiency in a larger vehicle. Suspension and handling: an adjustable air suspension system will be standard to offer a comfortable ride and enable height adjustment. Braking system: a high-performance braking system with large discs and multi-piston calipers ensures safe and effective braking. Light off-road capability: although the Maserati Motorhome isn't a true off-road vehicle, it might have intelligent all-wheel drive AWD, more convenient advanced alarm system, and 360-degree camera.